Hi, Love Raw family, and welcome back. If you juice or blend, you know how stubborn those white calcium and mineral deposits can be. They build up over time, making your machine look cloudy and dirty, no matter how much you scrub. I juice daily, and everything gets washed and scrubbed with soap and water, and I still get these. I've used vinegar, baking soda, and many other ways trying to get them clean, but it never really gets the job done. But today I'm going to share with you the easiest way to get them sparkling clean. So all you need is approximately 1 cup of Liquid Cascade to approximately 1 gallon of hot water. That's it. You fill a container with this solution and you let it soak. Okay, so let's get started. So you're going to see the deposits just dissolve away with little to no scrubbing. It's the only thing I've found that removes the stains and the deposits. And it's so easy. So you're going to just let everything soak now. And depending on how dirty everything is, you'll want to soak longer than 12 hours even. But you'll see. And that is really it. Welcome back. So it's been 24 hours now. I've had everything soaking. These stains were very old, so it looks like they're still on there. They just need a little bit of scrubbing. Look at the difference. Your juicer Vitamixer will look brand new again. Now for older stains that I've had for like 5 years on these, you might need to add a little hot water and let it soak a little bit more. For the Vitamixer, we had chocolate protein mix that was stained in here for over 5 years. So that I added hot water with the solution and I ran the Vitamixer for 2 minutes and everything came off easily. So to remove any residual solution, I'm going to soak all of these tonight in water. And also, please remember not to ever soak your Vitamixer base in water. If you found this tip helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Love Raw for more easy cleaning hacks. Keep your tools clean and your health glowing. See you in the next video.